Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about how to create easy data entry forms. Let's get into it. So the data set that I'll be using today is the count of Baltimore City hospitals. And if you come to the side here, it gives you the location of each hospital and the district and the council district, the neighborhood of the hospital, the zip code, and the type. Obviously, it's a hospital. But if you come down, it says non-acute hospital as well. And over here we have the hospital names. So the reason why people use easy data entry forms is, in this case, with this data set that I have here, it's to enter new hospitals or new hospitals that are maybe being built. And the reason is that it takes a lot of time to come here and type all of the details in. So instead of that, data entry forms make it easier for you to type your new data in. And so first we are going to go up to the top where we have the quick access toolbar. And we're going to come here and it says customize quick access toolbar. And over here, the things that have been ticked are the ones that have appeared up here. So for example, if we untick the undo button, then it's going to go away. But obviously I'm going to take it back. And so if you take it back, then it will pop up again. I'm just going to save this really quick. And then we go back into here, and now we are going to go into more commands. So I'm going to click on more commands, and now we're going to be looking for the form button. So instead of popular commands over here, I will be clicking on commands not in the ribbon. Now I'm going to come down and look for the form. Here, form. So we click on this and we click on add. So over here, all of the icons on the quick access toolbar appear over here. And so if we click on add, then form has been added to this part, the quick access toolbar as well. And if you want to remove it, you click on obviously the remove button. But for now, I am going to click on form again and add. And then I'm going to click on OK. And the form icon has been added to our toolbar. Now our next step is to make this data set into a table. So the easiest way to do that is you just click somewhere in the data set and then you go Control key and it will come up with this. So mine, I already have tables, table headers up here. And so just try and make sure that, to make it easier for you, make sure that if you have table headers, then make them a little bit bigger than your normal font of the rest of the data set. Or if you don't have headers, you can just untick that. But for me, I need to tick that because my table has headers. We'll click OK, and here it has recognized my table headers, and now it has made it into a table. Coming on to our last step, I also kind of changed the color of this, which you can find at the top where it says table design. So now I'm just going to click somewhere random in the table. I'll just click it over here. And then now I will go up to the form button that we placed in the quick access toolbar at the start of the video, and I'm going to click on form. And now it's made a form for us. So over here it has the hospital name, and it gives you the hospital name, which is over here, and the type, which is obviously a hospital, and it gives you all the headings over here and the data over here. And if you want to see find next, then it comes to Maryland General Hospital, and next, and it comes up with everything. So now, since this data entry form is about entering new data, we have the new button over here. So click on here, and now we just need to fill in this form. So let me just go Auckland Hospital. Type, it's obviously a hospital. Zip code, let's just add some random numbers. Let's just say, I don't know, city. And I'll just add a random number, 45. Police district, let's say central. And location, let's just say, I don't know, Queen Street. Okay, this is just random information. And so now, after we do that, we can press enter, and we can close this. And when we go down, the data has been entered into this table. So this comes to the end of the video on how to make easy data entry forms. I really hope you guys have learned something from this and you can happily enter your data without taking too much time. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos.